the common way to race around the track is to have everyone go in the same direction and measure the times when you get to the finish line. So you know how long exactly it took you to race a certain distance. But another way you could do it is to race around the track in opposite directions and just meet up at a certain point, wherever you run into each other, and say, okay, this was how much time we both raced in, the same amount of time, and what's the difference in the distances, right? It would be a little weird way to run races, but it's kind of an interesting way to think about it. We've got Nicole running counterclockwise, Courtney running clockwise, and they meet up right here, okay? Not at the halfway point, mind you. It looks like Nicole ran a little faster because she went 188 degrees around the circle in this direction, and her friend Courtney did a little less than half. So Nicole's the faster runner. Let's figure out exactly what the difference in their distances is. And to do this, you need to know that the circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r. Okay, that's a very common way to remember that formula. Or it also equals pi times the diameter, because diameter is just 2 radii. Well, according to the picture we're given here, the diameter is 420 feet. So that means the circumference is 420 pi. Okay, now, neither girl ran all the way around the track. So the way we're going to figure out how far each one ran is like this. We're going to say, okay, Nicole's distance is, well, she went 188 degrees, and it's 360 degrees total. So she went 188 out of 360 times 420 pi. This is her distance. It's the fraction of the circle that she ran times the length of the circle. And let's see what that's going to be. It's going to be a little calculator stuff here. 188 divided by 360 times 420 pi. Okay, so it looks like Nicole ran 689.06 feet. And if we do the same thing for Courtney, what did Courtney run? Well, Courtney did not run 188 degrees. If you think about what its circle is, it's 360 degrees total. So Courtney ran 360 minus 188, right? A little less than half a circle. And that was her fraction, multiplied by the circumference again, 420 pi. So 360 minus 188. According to this, Courtney ran 172 degrees, which is about 0.47 around the circle, times 420 pi, which is the circumference, means Courtney's distance is 630.41 feet. Okay, so I use way more decimals than are necessary. You can just see that the difference between these is about 59 feet. And there we are, right here. So key concepts in this question. 1, a circle has 360 degrees. Okay, that's kind of important. You should know that. 2, be able to find the circumference of a circle, either using radius or using the diameter. And 3, understand how to build these fractions like I was doing here. This 188 over 360, that's Nicole's portion. Or the 172 over 360, Courtney's portion.